Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look at it. See, it's pretty simple and it has its own problem. The transition is not nice and the effects are not good. So let's see how we can make it better and create a better side of that. At first, this thing here that you see is the art that we can add it from here. Insert, you can get it in the smart art. Someplace here you can find it, and after adding the art, for example some of this is the art we are using, you can add the picture and the text and modify it. Okay, so we done that and come to something like this with everything in that and the text. So let's copy that. Okay, the background, you need to format every background. See, this is the background that we have. You need to format it and change the background. So for that, I'm going to use this slide because it has the background changed. Now, what shall we do? We shall create something that uses this effect. We go to format, and here in the format, if I recall it well, we ungroup this thing. And after that, we ungroup it again. If it's group, and it's many effects, or you can just not ungroup this and come with that, but by ungrouping it, everything is going to be better. So let's ungroup it. Select it, go to shape format and ungroup it. Now we need to copy that. We need to copy the next picture. You can just simply save the background, save it here, and in the next slide we format the background and add a picture. You see the picture comes here. Okay, now we have it, but here we need to set the ones place gone and the next place comes. But for that, it's better to recolor it to the way you want. For example, I think the best thing for that is that the color is going to be a little dark and without any outline. And also I'm going to give it some shadow effect to the right. And the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to reduce the transparency to create something that effect like this. Then let me change the background here. You see the second background didn't come because you need to at first save this background and add it here from the insert. You can find it here, and after adding that you have it. Now you need to select this thing, and this thing, and you need to rotate it or move it the way you like. It's up to you. But for us, I'm going to move it out and move this to up like this. But you need to remember, you need to move this out 2 by 2, not just 1 by 1. Here and here, and everything is great. Now we cut the text and add the second text we have. I hope you understand how to create the text, but it's easy. And if you don't, ask me in the comments. I will be more than happy to tell you how. Then copy that, go for the third picture. I save the background as always and add it here. Now we do the same thing, bring this to out, bring this up, and then cut this to text and paste this text here. This is just simple work. and then copy that another time, bring it out, bring this up. Now you just need to have the text 4, and after that we are going to add the picture as the same, paste it here. Now we save the picture. These pictures are the pictures that taken by myself. You can find them on internet, but if you want, I will then more than happy to share it with you. And then set the transition to morph for all the slide. Now take a look. Sorry. You see the pictures moving is really smooth and great, and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.